School Youth Center, Cavite. This is San Francisco Daily News Express. Greetings, folks. You're listening to the leading radio program in the country, San Francisco Daily News Express.
Pants news,
Serious views, true as it happens.
This is Tristan Marina.
And this is Maureen Sikas, bringing you the hottest, newest, the freshest news of today, September 13, 2011. On top of today's news, 1.42 billion pesos for nationwide road work.
Government to hire 13,000 teachers, 12,000 nurses next year.
For the world news, Finance Minister is Japan's next premier.
And for the sports news, salute to King Record Sports and Title Series.
1.42 billion pesos for nationwide road work. Here's Gracie Padilla for the report. Gracie? Budget Secretary Florencio Pinabal said that now has released 1.42 billion pesos for the maintenance of national roads and installation of road safety devices across the country as part of efforts to have all national roads paved by 2014. This is Gracie Padilla reporting. Back to you, Morgan and Jason.
Thank you, Gracie. Government to hire 30,000 teachers, 12,000 nurses next year. From Sergeant Bahar of the South Team, Algin.
The government